So hi guys, I'm back with a new video. Today we will discuss about a topic which is called sorting of a file. So in this topic we will discuss how to write some data in an output file from input file with some additional strings. I mean to say you have an input file where you have length of 50, you have 50 characters data in each line. So you want to copy all of them to output file, plus you want to add some additional string in each line at a certain position at the end or in between, wherever you want. And also we can write some spaces also in the output file. So that way you can change the length of input and output file both. So, sorry, I mean to say only you can change the length of output file. Pardon me, you cannot change the length of input file. You can change the length of output file by writing some additional data in the output file. Okay. Now, in this example, if you can see, I have a job card, then I have taken one utility which is sort. So I have one input file here. So for sort, the input data set, input DD name is sort in, output DD name is sort out, which is predefined. So input file I have taken test.file.ps, output file I have taken test.file.ps1, output file I'm going to create newly in this JCL. So this piccolo new catalog delete units is the then space parameter I have added. I will write very small number of records. So I have given a written space equal to track 50/50 release. Okay, very less space. So now, since yeah, I think you have noticed that I have not mentioned DCB parameter here. DCB parameter I have not mentioned. That means logical record length format I have not mentioned. I want to create it dynamically, meaning whatever I will provide, whatever condition I will provide in the sysintd star, based on that the output file length and format will be decided. From where? From whatever you copy from input file to output file, based on that it will be decided, and whatever condition you have written, based on that the length will be decided. Now how will it happen? So first of all, we'll have to check the length of the input file, the format, and what data it has inside. So this file you can check. First of all, I'll check the length of this file. So it's fixed block, length is 50, then block size 500. So fixed block length is 50. Okay, now if I go inside, if I browse it, so I have taken only 5 records. Okay, David, Tom, Harry, Steve, Aaron. So 5 records I have taken. Suppose the length name field is 10 characters. From first position till 10th position we have the length field. Now I have kept the remaining places blank. Okay, these are all serial numbers on the right hand side. So I have kept the remaining places blank. So what I want to do is I want to create an output file. Okay, this one, where I have not mentioned any length or format, but in the shortcut what I have mentioned is sort fields equal to copy, inrec fields equal to 1:1, 10, 11 is to C within single quotes. I have written 2023-09-13. That is today's date. So what I want to do exactly is from the input file. Okay, I think you already know this condition in rec field. So this first one is the output file position, from which position in the output file you want to write the records. So from the first position in output file you want to write the records. What do we want to write in the output file? Whatever is present in at the first position of input file. So this next one is the position of the input file. So whatever is present at the first position of input file till 10 length. So from first position to 10th position, whatever is present in input file will be written in the output file from first position. Okay, so that is what exactly we have in the input file. We don't have any other data. Even if the length is 50, we have only the name field in the input file. You have already seen. Now the requirement is, suppose from 11th position I want to add today's date. So in the output file from 11th position I want to add today's date. So I have to write 11 is to C within single quotes. I have to write 2023-09-13. So whatever is present in the input file from first position till the next 10 length will be copied to the output file from first position, and in the output file at the 11th position to today's date will be written at each record. That means in all the 5 records from 11th position today's date will be written. Now what will be will be the length of this file then? This output file, how will it be decided? Because I have not mentioned any DCB parameter, I have not mentioned any date, I have simply written one inrec field. So based on this, how the length of this file will be decided? So this is called dynamic allocation of length of the file. Dynamic allocation, how? See what I am copying from the input file. Inrec fields equal to 1:1, 10. That means 10 length I am copying. So 10. So length has become 10 of the output file. Plus what else I am writing in the output file? I am writing extra 10 characters in each line. Okay, so 10 plus 10, the length of the output file will become 20. It is not like the input file length is 50, so automatically the output file length will also be 50. It is not like that. This is dynamic allocation, which will depend on whatever you are going to copy from input file, and if you are writing any extra to add some strings after each record or in each record. So 10 records from input file, sorry, 10 length from input file and 10 string extra I have written. So 10 plus 10, 20. So the output file length will be 20. Now, if I submit this job, okay, maxis is 0. That means it has executed successfully. Now, let me check this output file. Okay, let me check the length. See, the record length is 20. Format is FB. Why? Because the input file format is also FB. So output file is also generated with FB, but the length is created dynamically. It is the combination of the 10 lengths from input file and 10 the extra allocation that I have written. Okay, so 10 plus 10, 20. Now if you go inside this file, see, from first position till 10th position in output file, you have the names which you have copied from the input file. From 11th position, you have today's date after each record in the output file. So this is how the records will be written in the output file based on whatever condition you write. Okay, so you understood, right? So let me delete this file, or let me keep it only. I will create another file. So I will show you another example where I will add some spaces. Okay, so I will add some spaces. So 50 will come from the input file, 10 spaces will be added at last. So if you submit this JCL, if you check, see, the length is 60. So if you go inside, you will be able to see only the name, obviously, because spaces you can't see. Spaces will be like this blank only. So you cannot identify, but the length, if you count, it will be 60 only. Okay. So this is how you can manipulate, you can add spaces or add special characters or add some strings, whatever you want in the output file using sort utility. So it is not possible using IBGener. Using sort, you can do this kind of things. You can also make FB to VB change, VB to FB, that means fixed block to variable block file, variable block to fixed block file. You can add some length, you can add some more spaces, add some more strings at last or in between, wherever you want. You can control the writing in the output file of the records. Then you can find and replace some strings. I will make a video on that too, that in input file, if you have that particular position, if you have a value you want to replace it with something else, that also you can handle. So by mentioning a particular position, you can handle if the string, that string may be present at any length in the input file in the record. Suppose in one first record the string is present at 5th position, in the second record is present at 10th position. So that also can be handled. So wherever it is present, it will be found and it will be replaced. So I will make a video on that too. So using sort utility you can do unlimited things. You can do a lot of things using sort utility. So hope this video helped, and I will come up with more videos on JCL, on COBOL, on DB2, VSAM, CICS, everything. So slowly every I will come up with more real-time scenarios. Like I will take some scenarios of COBOL programs, COBOL DB2 programs, CICS programs, or JCLs, whatever is may happen under a project or something. I'll take some scenarios like that. I will try to write the programs or JCLs, and I'll try to explain how it is done. There are so many scenarios that we should know actually, but in some projects, in support projects mainly, we don't use that much of a development things. But development knowledge is very much important. That is why I will come up with more videos. Please suggest me whatever you want, on which topic you want to make video, want me to make videos on, which topic, which scenario. If you have any scenario, just give the scenario to me. I will make a video on it. I'll share, and I'll make you understand how it works. So hope this video helps. So I will come up with more videos.